Hi Digicurated family, welcome back to the channel. Today we're responding to a deeply important conversation taking place right now in Kenya about recurring building failures and collapses. There has been a lot of distressing discussion and expert insight into why these tragedies continue to occur.
Leo tuko Kilimani, tulipatana naye Kilimani
2015.
Bas, kibaridi cha asubuhi kimetuchapa. We had a conversation with the chair of the Architectural Association of Kenya, Mombasa branch, and now we are expanding this conversation into a proper one, which is bringing in architects, bringing quantity surveyors, bringing the regulator of the construction sector, and also bringing planners and bringing people who are in the building sector.
I wanted to speak to an institutional surveyor because I want to get to know, again, built environment professionals and the point they play. So we already have accepted, we spoke to an architect earlier on who said, you know what, there's a lot of people who are choosing to go in roundabout ways to do things. Either they are basically subletting their certifications or they are just doing a terrible job at design. But let's speak to institutional surveyors. I know you wanted to tell us about your part in quality as far as building and construction is concerned, but please start with an introduction.
Thank you. My name is Paul Dache. I am a surveyor by profession and a member of the Institution of the Surveyors of Kenya. I'm representing my institution. Now, we play a very big role in ensuring the quality control of the whole process, from planning to design to construction of any engineering structure. We play a very big role. But you find that most of the time, the professionals within this built environment work in silos. And this gives rise to the kinds of things that everyone later finds unpalatable. So, for example, before the planner begins to do any spatial planning, he needs an accurately done survey of the space. And once he's done with this planning, he hands this site over to an engineer. The engineer has to come back to the surveyor, who has to do the three-dimensional measurement for him to do an accurate design. Then the engineer employs the quantity surveyor who does the quantity calculations and everything for the costing of the structure. And then you come back again to the surveyor to set out this structure so that it is spatially correct. Now, we interact a lot with the process all through. And then at the final stage when the construction is going on, there are design specifications. Their measurement.
Here's how our virtual tours can help. Embed critical project data, structural notes, approval status, inspection checkpoints directly into the 3D tour. Architects, engineers, regulators, and developers can jump onto a live call while exploring the virtual site together. Only relevant parties see what they need, from regulators to quality control inspectors. Comments and their concerns are captured visually at their exact location in the project, not buried in emails or PDFs. Imagine a tool where a county inspector can walk through a project virtually with the team, highlight a concern, and see it updated live before any real-world consequences happen.
Our interactive 3D virtual tours are not just for viewing spaces. They're collaboration platforms that enable all stakeholders to be on the same page at every stage of a project.